In this video, we're diving into the potent benefits of a simple yet powerful drink, ginger water. This humble beverage, steeped with the goodness of ginger, is more than just a refreshing drink. Consumed on an empty stomach, it turns into a natural elixir with a multitude of health benefits. Rooted in ancient traditions, ginger carries a wealth of medicinal properties. From its anti-inflammatory benefits to its ability to soothe digestive woes, ginger is a powerhouse of wellness. And when infused in water, these benefits are amplified, creating a potent concoction that can kickstart your day in the healthiest way possible. As we delve deeper into the topic, we'll explore the science-backed reasons behind the efficacy of this simple routine. We'll unfold the mystery of why this root soaked in water holds the key to a healthier, happier you. Stay tuned as we uncover the 6 compelling reasons why you should drink ginger water every day on an empty stomach. Before we go any further, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Starting with the first reason, ginger water can significantly improve your digestion. Let's delve into the science behind this claim. According to the National Institutes of Health, ginger has been found to stimulate the production of saliva, bile, and gastric enzymes. Now you might be wondering, what's the big deal with saliva, bile, and gastric enzymes? Well, these 3 substances play a pivotal role in our digestive process. Saliva begins the breakdown of food in your mouth, and bile helps in digesting fats. Gastric enzymes, on the other hand, are the heavy lifters that break down proteins, fats, and carbs in your stomach. So, when ginger stimulates the production of these essential substances, it essentially turbocharges your digestive process. This leads to better digestion and absorption of nutrients. Simply put, your body can more efficiently utilize the food you eat, leaving less room for indigestion or bloating. But the magic of ginger doesn't stop there. It's also known to soothe the digestive tract, reducing inflammation and discomfort that can come with a poorly functioning digestive system. Moreover, ginger is a carminative, which means it can help to eliminate excess gas from the digestive system. It's no wonder that ginger has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to relieve gastrointestinal distress. So, if you suffer from indigestion or bloating, a glass of ginger water every morning could be your golden ticket to a happier gut. Moving on to the second reason, ginger water can give your immune system a much-needed boost. This spicy root is packed with an abundance of antioxidants. You might be wondering, what's so special about antioxidants? Well, they are your body's first line of defense against disease-causing free radicals. They protect your cells from damage, keeping you healthy and reducing the risk of chronic diseases, as outlined by PubMed. Now, let's talk about how ginger water can help fight off disease and infection. The immune system is a complex network of cells, tissues, and organs that work together to defend the body against harmful invaders. When these invaders, such as bacteria or viruses, enter the body, the immune system springs into action. Ginger, with its potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, helps to strengthen this immune response. It's like adding an extra layer of armor to your body's defense system. And even better, it's an all-natural way to boost your immunity. This means you're not just relying on over-the-counter medicine when you start to feel a tickle in your throat or a sniffle in your nose. Instead, you're proactively fortifying your body's defenses every day with a simple glass of ginger water. Imagine starting your day with a healthful habit that not only hydrates you, but also strengthens your immune system. It's like a daily health insurance policy in a glass. And the beauty of it all, it's easy to make and can be customized to your taste preferences. You can enjoy it hot or cold, add a squeeze of lemon for a vitamin C boost, or even a dash of honey for some natural sweetness. So the next time you're prepping your morning routine, consider adding ginger water to the mix. It's a small change that could have a big impact on your health. Incorporating ginger water into your daily routine could be a simple yet effective way to keep those pesky colds and flus at bay. The third reason lies in ginger's powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Now this is where things get interesting. Many of us are probably not aware that inflammation is a natural process in our bodies. It's our body's way of protecting itself from injury or disease. But when inflammation gets out of hand, it can lead to chronic conditions like arthritis, heart disease, and even cancer. Enter ginger, a seemingly humble root with potent anti-inflammatory capabilities. According to the Arthritis Foundation, ginger has been shown to reduce inflammation and relieve pain. This might be music to the ears of those struggling with arthritis or any other condition characterized by chronic inflammation. So, how does it work? Ginger contains compounds known as gingerols and shogals. These compounds inhibit the production of chemicals in the body that trigger inflammation. By doing so, they help to reduce swelling and pain, but it's not just arthritis sufferers who can benefit. Inflammation is also a key player in the development of heart disease. By reducing inflammation, ginger may help to protect your heart health too. Moreover, a study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that ginger can even reduce muscle pain caused by exercise. So whether you're a professional athlete or a weekend warrior, ginger water could be a great addition to your post-workout recovery plan. Of course, it's important to remember that while ginger can help to reduce inflammation, it's not a cure-all. It's best used as a part of a healthy lifestyle, and if necessary, in conjunction with medical treatment. In a nutshell, ginger's anti-inflammatory properties are truly a force to be reckoned with. They offer potential relief for those suffering from chronic inflammatory conditions and may even help to protect against certain diseases. So, if you're dealing with painful inflammation, consider adding ginger water to your morning routine. The fourth reason is for all those looking to shed a few pounds. Ginger water can aid in weight loss. Now, this isn't some magical elixir that will melt away the pounds overnight, but it's a simple and natural way to support your weight loss efforts. Let's dive into the science behind it. A study published in the journal Metabolism Clinical and Experimental found that ginger can boost your metabolism, helping your body to burn more calories. When your metabolism is running high, your body uses more energy, and that can lead to weight loss. But how does ginger do this? Well, ginger contains compounds called gingerols and shogols. These compounds stimulate several biological activities in your body when you consume them. One of these activities is enhancing your body's metabolic rate. Moreover, ginger has a thermogenic effect, meaning it can help increase your body's temperature. This rise in body temperature kickstarts your metabolism, leading to more calories being burned. Additionally, ginger water can help you feel fuller for longer. This satiating effect means you're less likely to snack between meals, reducing your overall calorie intake. So whether you're looking to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight, ginger water could be a beneficial addition to your diet. It's not a cure-all, of course. A balanced diet and regular exercise are key, but ginger water is a simple, tasty, and natural tool in your weight loss toolkit. Remember, weight loss is different for everyone, and what works for one person may not work for another. But if you're looking for a natural, easy-to-use aid, why not give ginger water a try? Incorporating ginger water into your daily routine could be a tasty and effective addition to your weight loss plan. The fifth reason is for heart health. Ginger water can improve your cardiovascular health. Now you may be wondering, how exactly does this work? Well, the answer lies in the numerous studies that have shown ginger's potential to lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Let's take a moment to understand this. When we talk about blood pressure, we're referring to the force exerted by the blood against the walls of the blood vessels. Now, when this pressure is too high, it can lead to various health problems, including heart disease. This is where ginger comes in. Research published in the renowned medical journal PubMed has shown that ginger can help lower blood pressure, thereby reducing the risk of heart disease. But that's not all. High cholesterol is another factor that can increase the risk of heart disease. Cholesterol is a fatty substance found in your blood that your body needs to build cells. However, too much cholesterol can lead to the buildup of plaque in your arteries, which can restrict blood flow and lead to heart disease. Again, ginger water comes to the rescue. The same research from PubMed shows that ginger can also help lower cholesterol levels, making it a great addition to a heart-healthy diet. These benefits are particularly significant for individuals with heart disease or other cardiovascular conditions. By incorporating ginger water into their daily routine, they can help manage these conditions and potentially improve their overall heart health. But remember, while ginger water has these amazing health benefits, it should not be used as a substitute for medical treatment. Always consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new health regimen. So, for a healthier heart, consider adding a glass of ginger water to your morning routine. The sixth and final reason is for brain health. Ginger water can enhance your cognitive function. Now let's dive into the science of it. A study published in the Journal of Dietary Supplements found that ginger can indeed help improve memory and cognitive function. This research was conducted over a prolonged period and involved multiple controlled tests, thus making the findings quite significant. But how does it work? Well, ginger contains compounds that have neuroprotective properties. These compounds can help protect brain cells from inflammation and oxidative stress, two factors that can contribute to cognitive decline. By reducing inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain, ginger can help maintain the health of your brain cells, thereby improving cognitive function. Moreover, ginger's anti-inflammatory properties can also support brain health by reducing neuroinflammation, which is inflammation that occurs within the brain or spinal cord. Neuroinflammation has been linked to various neurological disorders, including Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. Therefore, by reducing neuroinflammation, ginger can potentially help protect against these disorders. So, whether you're a student looking to boost your academic performance, a professional seeking to maintain mental sharpness, or an elder aiming to preserve cognitive health, incorporating ginger water into your daily routine can be beneficial. Of course, while ginger water can support brain health, it's important to remember that it's just one piece of the puzzle. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle, including a balanced diet, regular physical activity, and sufficient sleep, is also crucial for optimal brain health. So, for a sharper mind, consider starting your day with a glass of ginger water. And there you have it. 6 compelling reasons to drink ginger water every day on an empty stomach. This simple concoction of fresh ginger and water, consumed hot or cold, is not just a refreshing drink, but a treasure trove of health benefits. We've delved into the science behind each of these benefits to give you a comprehensive understanding of why ginger water should be a part of your daily routine. First, we discussed how ginger water aids in digestion by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes and speeding up the gastric emptying process. Next, we explored its immunity-boosting properties thanks to the high concentration of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds found in ginger. We then moved on to ginger's anti-inflammatory properties, highlighting how it can help alleviate symptoms of conditions like arthritis and menstrual cramps. It's also worth noting its potential role in weight loss, as studies have shown that ginger can help enhance thermogenesis and suppress hunger, assisting in weight management. The 5th reason took us to the realm of cardiovascular health. Ginger water, with its potential to lower cholesterol levels and blood pressure, can be a heart-friendly addition to your diet. Lastly, we touched upon how ginger could enhance cognitive function by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the brain. So, whether it's a refreshing drink to start your day, a midday pick-me-up, or a soothing nightcap, ginger water can be your go-to beverage. It's an easy and tasty way to tap into the myriad health benefits of this wonder root. If you found this video useful, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to use our calorie and protein calculator in the description below to kickstart and track your fitness journey. And before you go, thank you so much for watching our video, and please make sure to subscribe to our channel. If you want to discover the incredible health benefits of starting your day with soaked papaya seeds water, watch the video on your screen next. Until next time, stay healthy and stay hydrated.